Yeah, so by the way, I did call the 5427 number that got nailed yesterday.
Yeah.
I told you guys they were selling it. Nobody listened to me. All right. Got one short. Now I had the one short overnight. Way, 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 way in the profits here, baby. this guy. We'll try to get into it as quick as I could.
All right.
I thought it was copying the right account, but I guess I'm not showing the. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Wasn't quite proper entry, but as bare flag as I could get on that one. Now we go a couple more ticks on the stop. I'll use the other screen here. Turn on this. Strategy.
The heck was that?
Head cold.
How's Miss B doing? Come on, baby, break this and dump.
Drop it down. Dump, 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 baby. Keep going. Go.
Nice stretch.
Stay in short, people. Stay in short. My Y is frozen. I don't know why.
Who's in this?
Yes, it's not. Why is my Y frozen, guys?
Fritz, nice Fritz.
That'll work. Anybody else got short? We're just talking about it. Find a place, get short. All you gotta do is wait for a rally, short it. Air flags, short them. Stay short, people. You got a ways to go. You got another 25 points on the ES south side. Gonna run into a little headwind right around 60. Let's see, go 69, 70.
Where's your stop at?
70, running a little headwind. My stop's at 86.25 right now. It's about to go break even. About to put it down to 84.25. Staying on the short side, ladies and gentlemen. All you gotta do, we're gonna be done with this. Nice. I don't know why my YM's not running.
Have you
Nice, Todd.
reloaded historical and ninja script?
Go to historical data. Don't take me out. All right, there's that. Still says it's loading for some reason.
Guys, I'm done. I'm going back to bed. I'll see y'all Monday.
All right, there's a rally you guys probably sell on right now.
I'll pull this thing up. I'm going to stop out of the way. I think this is.
Be right back. Oh, flat. Oh, no. Profitable warning already so far. Be right back, guys. Need to figure out this. Why this YM's not working.
Might have to open up a new chart. Lost it.
Oh, yeah, hold on. I'm going to work on that. I'll get right back. I'll be right.
Look at that zone. Came right up to that zone and dropped. Think they work?
Trying to
Can't hear you, Brian.
figure out if the zones work or not.
See, it came right up to that zone.
That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to figure out if the zones work or not. Oh wait, they do work.
Let's just see. They kind of work.
Yeah,
That'd have been
I got
I
it.
don't know
late
if I don't know
on
if that one would have qualified as an entry. I guess it would have because it touched it.
Oh yeah, it totally would have. And I was a little off. My zone actually should have been right there. Would have been where my zone should have been. Either way, it touched it, and that would give perfect sell signal. Did give a perfect sell signal actually. That would have been day done move. We got a buy signal there. That would have made money. We got a buy signal there. That would have made money. Obviously, that was early in the morning, I guess. We didn't have the zone into that yet. Yeah, that'd be day done right there. Boom, one trade. Anybody re-short from the zone? Let me try to figure out this reload ninja script maybe now. Playing exception. All right. All right. Everybody should have pretty decent 2 opportunities to get short there. The flag that we talked about and the re-entry from that rally there. And you're probably going to get another chance here in just a second on the ES. I wish I had some YM screens. I don't know why my YM's not running. I'm going to restart, I guess. Let me try to get in short here with one contract. Restart. Somebody yell at me if I. I ran this short pretty good. And let me restart this puppy. Height lock may not be acquired with the read log held. Pattern is prone to deadlocks. What the heck does that mean?
Mhm.
Pattern is prone to deadlocks. That seemed like fun.
Sounds like a total reboot to me. Clear your cache, reboot, start over.
Well, all right. Don't let the market go up too much on me. I got short on one. ES is selling again, right?
Sure. Yeah, you could.
I've been short. Well, I got the other contract. I've been short a long time on these. This actually get
Target's
caught
off if you
dealer accounts.
took that. Took that short out of the zone right there.
I did. I was trying to get you guys to do it too.
I
And then I was
took it
restarting
too. May not give us too much. Let's see here. Yeah.
It's going. Really cannot believe. I'm like absolutely shocked the day that I heard that they were going to start selling everything. They started selling everything. Isn't it crazy?
It's magic.
Unable to recover ninja custom assembly. The process cannot be accessed.
Oh, you did a number on yours, didn't you?
I need Coach Hugo on this.
I was going to say that might be out of your pay grade.
Yep. Guys, I am flying blind, and hopefully the ES is still moving down. Is it?
What's that?
Is ES still moving down?
It looks like it's trying to. I'm in this short out of the zone.
Yeah, it hasn't gone
Got
up.
my first target off, but I'm not feeling too excited about getting the rest of them off. We'll see.
Starting to move
All
up now.
Yeah, I
So
don't.
the-
I
Right
don't
to the
think-
bottom of the zone.
Okay. All right. Here's what I'm about to do, guys. I'm about to restart everything. Let's try this one time.
Crude just started moving down. Crude hasn't broken this line in a while, like 180 days or 100 some days. So if it breaks this line, I imagine it's gone. Gold is looking heavy here. Typically, when gold starts to move down, crude moves down, ES and YM start to move up.
All right. I'm going to kill this trade. I don't like it. Take my scalp.
Scalpel.
Flat. Flat and happy. Where's your head? Q?
All right, well, bouncing right now, but I imagine it's just going to come right back. So I might put an order at the bottom of that that cracks it. Let's turn it up. Can't tell me that that crude zone is ill placed. Hadn't been down to this line in over 100 days, and it comes right down to it and pogos off of it. Comes back down again and
Pogos.
misses it by one tick. Could say Cubert's. Cubert's off of it. You know Cubert.
Uh-oh. What did I do?
All right.
Did you fix it?
That's one. That's one. Take everybody out. Try to get them long.
Ball. Can't hear you, Brian.
Most likely, sell signal came up on the ES. I'm having all kinds of issues today. Can you guys not hear? Can you hear me now?
I can hear
Yeah.
you now. Yeah.
I can hear you now.
Can you hear me now?
What encryption is?
Taking sell signals.
Crude just found support and it's bouncing higher now, which means Brian's probably right. It's going to start reversing right here on YMES.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. Most likely. Take your sell signals, people. Take your sell signals.
Get your fresh hot cell signals.
Yeah.
They're hot.
Time isn't a little bit before the open. All right. Everybody get a little green this morning? Anybody need anybody screw up, make a mistake by accident or something? Let us know. We'll help you out. If not, we shall still sell rallies.
Which is a little orphan boy.
Still selling those rallies, guys.
Look at that.
Still selling those
YMES just dropped. If you listen to Brian, you'd already be 100 to the good on one contract. 150, 250.
100 to the good.
All right. Get your fair shot sales signals. Put my stop right behind that swing point there at 399.25. YM is slowly thinking about getting past this. Got the 89 right there. That could be its retest right there. That might be good. I'm gonna stick this where the sun don't shine. Just kidding. At 77. I'm perplexed. I'm gonna move this down, ES down to 98.25 because we don't want it to find support on the 89. If it does, it's gonna get us. YM's got 7 left on this to push down, and we get close here. We might come down to the next one at 64. I'm gonna watch this green candle first, though. Looks ambitious. Oh, ES is looking really ambitious. Don't do it. Don't do it. I thought about it. Don't do it. Nah, it got me. It got me, pops. All right, YM still good so far as it eats up my profit. Wow, Kirby best.
Okay.
Down.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Jiminy Christmas. I keep saying sell the rallies, sell the rallies. I heard you say that. Did anybody sell that last M? The last took down stochastic for the YM. That was a decent little short trade.
Yeah, it was like
Yeah.
350. One contracty.
Minting the cash this morning, guys. All you gotta do is sell these rallies.
Sell it. Yes.
Doing it. Let's see if I can get at least one of my screens to share. I'm having technical issues all around. Share. Hey, it worked this time. Man, I wanted to sell that one too. Dang damn it.
Probably gonna get a retest here.
Get a little
Rarely
second
do you,
chance on it.
rarely do you get like a
I
one
wanted to
up
go up to
and one
that.
down.
I'd like to see it go up to that zone and get a really strong sell signal. But I'll take this.
YM still sitting on top of the 89 there. Kind of a tough spot.
It's selling. You need to be short on the YM. You need to be short on the ES and the YM, guys.
Boom.
Bro.
Another one.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, who's doing it, guys? All you're doing is selling rally. You get to look at range chart sell signals, guys. Take the range chart sell signals. Those are going to be the easiest thing to do right now. Hooks and stochastic on your tick charts, and just keep doing it.
Doing it and doing it and doing it well.
Do
Oh,
it
cool.
again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Over and over, and you'll just make some money today. That's all you got to do.
Hey,
I'm
there's your
trying to
screen.
get into this. All right.
Look at this
All
block
right.
here.
Sit back and wait for a second.
If you get a block like that and it closes red underneath it, it's a good thing.
Yeah, it's going down.
You get a block like that and it starts to go back green. I mean, that's such a good thing.
All right. Who else is doing that? You guys selling these rallies? Get green, get gone Fridays, guys. This should be, I mean, we should almost be done before the open, you would think.
I know I am.
Then it's just playtime.
I could be done. I could really be done. I mean, I got that one I held overnight. Couple good shorts here, so I could really just be done too. How many people are done? Anybody done for the morning, done for the day? After
Me.
those first couple of shorts?
Oh no. It's about 1,000 shy.
Few people. Hopefully a few people are done. Stay short now.
Need some
Did
rocket
anybody else get back short on this rally that we called? Wait for it, called it twice. I tried to call it twice.
3 times. Nice.
So who else got back short? I want to know. I want to know.
Yeah, if you didn't hear the get your fresh hot cell signals, you might need to make a schedule appointment with your doctor. Sorry, doc, I can't hear my sales calls.
Now I'm aggravated that I'm not in this one again.
Yeah, try not to FOMO into this, but
We're on the 89 on the ES. It's struggling.
It's going to push through. It's going to push through.
I want to see crude dump.
We got, like I said, we hit a little bit of support on the ES. That's going to play around for a minute or two. And then, guys, again, where did I say we got? We can get down to easy down to 50. We can get easy down to 50. I mean, that's 40 more points, guys, on the ES.
Where would you put your stop on the ES right now?
My stop would be right above that indecision candle at right here.
97.25.
98. Yeah, whatever that is, tick above that.
Okay.
88, 88.75.
On the
88.75. And then YM, you'd be right behind the 89 there at 72. You can even follow these nice little red dots down at 56 there that Coach Hugo's putting on, one of those two. I really wish I was short on this, people. We're going to close down the room at like 10 this morning.
10.
Well, I'll be in the.
We're going to be done. Everybody get green. Get the heck out of here. All you got to do is press the sell button on a rally. That's it, guys. Let it rally. Press the sell button. Make money. And this is a pretty strong zone here that I had down here. Notice how it bounced off of it on the short side and bounced off of it on the long side. Look at that.
Yeah.
Tell me that's not a winning trade there, Paul?
Looks like a winning trade to me.
It's crazy, isn't it?
They work. It works.
That would be one. I don't know
10.
why that one didn't give a signal. So that'd be going back in time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trades. 7. 7 winning trades.
Ha, ha, ha.
That's pretty good, right?
I would say so.
We'll let that run for me.
ES is going to push up here and get us. Oh.
All right, give me a rally that I can sell. Here we go.
Hit it with the rewind.
Hopefully my try something soon.
Close back underneath that. Close underneath the 89. Good. It did. Look at that. What? Dreams come true. Now, don't go back up over it.
Get yourself sell a rally, any rally, sell a rally.
Get your hard sells.
What's the day of the plan, guys? You are selling rallies until when? The cows come home. No, you're selling rallies.
Forever.
Same as yesterday, guys. I made you type it in. I'm gonna make you type it in again this morning.
Backwards.
You're selling rallies until when?
Till the sun goes down.
Please, guys. You have 3 different options.
The same ones every time.
Exact same 3 options every time. It's literally the same 3 options. I got back short on this. I don't know why this chart didn't. Oh, I put it on the wrong count again.
One
Show my copy account, please. There it is.
The one that he
Sorry.
really wants to hear is the one that begins with an S.
Yes, please. Somebody say it.
Doesn't matter the
Somebody.
other 2, which you always give. It's the other one. He wants to hear it.
I just want
Every time.
I want to know that you guys know it. I want to know
Every
it's
time
simple,
they miss that one. It's always last.
right? All right, guys, do it for real. Show it. Come on. What are you're selling rallies until what happens? And staying short. All you gotta do is just be in the short trade, guys. Press the sell button. That's all you gotta do. Right now.
Start
Now. Press the sell
typing
button. Everybody,
words.
press the freaking sell button.
You heard him.
Literally.
He said, "Press the sell button now."
Or don't listen to me. Don't make money. I don't care. All right. Now you're all in the trade. Take your targets off.
Not in the trade.
And now you can answer the question. You're selling rallies until when?
Start typing S words. Are you guys typing at all? Yeah.
Todd's the only one that answers.
100 people in here. Nobody knows how to type.
Right. Yeah. That's right.
It's rough. It's like worse than third world countries.
We're going to give you guys typing lessons. This is going to be next class, typing lessons.
This is a keyboard.
You should definitely have targets off on the YM.
Maybe you should put a poll up there because they can click buttons.
5, 3.
It gets to
6,
53,
7.
67, 25.
All right, I like that
Determined
number.
target.
That's a good target number. It really is. It really is a good target number.
Self-projecting his goals onto the market. That would be the bottom of the next zone. I like it. I like it. One tick off the bottom, I guess.
67 is a good number. I like it. I was doing there. That's very smart, very astute, Mr. Scott.
Hey, Todd.
There we go. Todd's got it. Thank you.
Todd, you get an
Finally.
all expense paid
Yes.
trip to your house. That's right. You can go to your home for free. Stay as long as you like.
By the way, Paul, there's another winning signal. Isn't that crazy? Even though it's
Lord.
against the trend,
I was just
it's
saying,
8 winning trades in a row on this thing.
Anybody know what this is right here on the ES going up? This is a
Rally to sell.
That's right. That's right. Another way to look at it is this was a test, and so this would be a.
Hey, that's a good question. Yeah. A sell signal now.
It's a donkey.
It's a donkey. It's a test. And a what? Guys, we went over this. Seriously. Like seriously. All right. Two things. Trade what today? Trade retest. Okay. Anything that retests a prior swing, trade it. Sell it. You guys got that? This is a really simple morning. Everybody say yes. You've got it. At least you understand that we're selling rallies
Oh,
until prior swings are broken, right? Or we start seeing higher highs and higher lows. You're selling rallies that retest prior swings. That's all you're doing today.
So what does it mean when the retest doesn't go as high as the test?
It's usually gets within a tick.
It means we got another
Doesn't
push.
it?
Yeah. It means probably got another push coming.
Usually. But you got a little. This is just about where some selling came from before, though. So, all right, everybody's got it then. Good. Good.
Hey, look at that. Cheers. Mike's on.
Cheers.
A little early for that.
Cheers. All right.
Everybody knows you're.
Oh, Mike's
Go make
Mike's
some
a
coffee.
minimum. Mike's. I probably need some coffee as well. All right, Scott. Have a great weekend. Good job. Hey,
Scott.
most everybody should be. Go ahead, Scott.
No, I was just saying, all right, Scott.
Doctor. After the past 2 days, most everybody should be pretty darn happy. Everybody smile, be happy. Past couple of days should be fantastic. This morning you could really be done. We're not going to call a ton of trade today, guys. Not going to call a ton. You're not going to see. You may not see me take another trade
Ever.
because I'm happy. I'm happy. Happy with where I'm at. I can switch to sim if you want me to. Let me switch this start to sim.
Hey, crude cracked that swing point or that zone, but pulled back up after it did it. I bet the next one down is going to dump. Now, crude hasn't been past the low of that zone there in over 100 days. So there is a pile of orders right there.
You get a little bit of sell signal starting to form now. I think to wait until they open, guys. I told you I'm not going to call many more trades. You're not going to see many more trades on my screen. I would probably take a shot at this. That's a little late. Dang it. Target's off. If you did it, just called it. I think this guy's on sim. Let's see what this is on sim. Yeah, so I can trade on that chart. Let's do that. I can trade sim and cash at the same time.
What? Insane.
Crazy. It's ludicrous. I'm not going to touch anything right now. As a matter of fact, everybody re up your coffee. Get ready for the open. I'm telling you guys, we're not going to stay open that long today. There's no reason to. You sell rallies just like what we're talking about right now. And you should be green at this point. And if you're not, let us know. Tell us. I'm not going to yell at you. You know that. Coach Paul's not going to yell at you. We're going to try to figure out what happened and fix it. All right, I'll be back. I'll be back in like 10 minutes. Give me some coffee and get myself all buttoned up here for the open. Probably going to see a little bit of push up.
We got like 20 minutes.
Where would you see a push up to?
Hi, the next.
What's that?
Probably the next.
Could be the next zone. I would say at least up to where price action started on the news, right?
Mm-hmm.
You would think you see a push up to where price action started on the news.
I think
So
it's
probably
gonna
gonna see that.
devil horns right here on the 89.
You're about to get you're
Well, I mean, on a higher time frame, so it would be devil horns right here coming down into
Oh.
the 89.
So if you're green right now, guys, it's a
Side.
fail. What's a fail? What failed, Scott? Oh man. Um, if you're green, sit back and relax, guys. Don't keep pressing button. Just relax. If you're not green, let us know. Let us fix it. You got L signal coming right now. Take a little risk on that. Get a target off. Give me a target. Or I get stopped out. Either way. But again, I'm already green this morning, so
Making a pennant right here.
big green.
Give it a couple candles. It's gonna break out and then come back around. I liked it too.
I like my little imp forming.
Here's your breakout. Now watch it come
Oh,
back around.
there it goes. Now you can get probably good sell signal here in a second. All right. I'm not gonna touch anything else till after the open. I'm gonna keep my greens. I'll be back in a few.
Look left. You got 40. Was it 0550? Another one. 0350. So probably in between those two. That's where you're going to find your next one. Then the bottom of that zone. Looking for like a big rejection wick or like an instant pop back when it hits it. It'll give it like 3 goes. I don't know if I trust that. Wait for the pullback on it. You rarely ever do you get like a one up and back down. All right, look at that. That kind of push like that. So here's the second time. Boom. All the way back down to the same. Here's the third. Forcing it up. Close it up high so they can give all the power into it right here so it can break it. Now your reaction isn't as strong. It broke through the wall. So you gotta wait. Moderate, like mild reaction right there. That was a good push at the end though. It's probably your guy right here. We wait for it to fail to hit the high again. Guys, you guys with me? You guys here? You listening? All right, so I broke through pretty easy there. Walls are getting kind of thin. All right, Van Voss, Todd. Look at your bars are getting bigger right here. Now you got into an indecision. So it could either be a refuel candle and it's going to continue to go. See how it didn't pass the half of the candle. It's all about how it closes. It's going to try to repeat it on the next one it does if it goes up. You see, it's just like this guy right here, basically. You can get a retest. There's your retest. No instant reaction there. Getting to the bottom of that zone. You're going to get a stretch candle here. There you go. You didn't know stretch had its own candle. I said that just did the move for this refuel right here and turned back green. So it's pretty bullish right there. Now it's going to try to give that refuel candle because it couldn't do it on the last one. Turn back green again. This thing's got some steam to go here. If it's not even seeing red yet. We're going back to, here's a retest of that zone. Your last high is 33. I think this is a forced pullback right here. I don't think that this is like a I gave up, because it didn't really show any signs of weakness right there. So I'd expect this to come back. It's like a liquidity grab here. See how it's wicking underneath this zone. It's gonna pull right back into it. See that instant reaction? That's kind of what you're looking for on the other side if you were trying to short it. Is that it was red, it was pumping red, and then it instantly turned green. See, like it's trying to get back down there. Boom, okay, it's there. Reactions, nah. I don't think it's the same. I think it broke it. So now it's gonna go back and retest this high, I think. Gonna try to close equal to this green candle. So it closed a little bit more, closed inside of it, basically. What you got, my money? That was an instant reaction right there. I still think you're gonna get it. Good morning. Just be patient. You're gonna get a wider set M here, I believe. Could have gotten first targets off on that, but it's hard to catch. Like that's a one touching down thing. That's just gonna be a deeper. It's a deeper M. Those of you who do 9-tick rules, that would have been a perfect one up there at the top. But I mean, I don't know. I always wait for the retest. Lots of pushing up right here. Your volume per second is like 51.29. I did have one of these that just flowed. It's just not doing it now. I can put on. YM is basically doing the same thing. Sorry, I know I'm not directly talking about the YM, but it's hanging in there the exact same way. All right, there's it popped up showing that it can go higher here, so I'd be careful here. Most likely going to be pulled back. That's not going to go as deep as the last time, and it's going to find support and go up from here. Breaking swing points right there. If this pops, you can put an order on the top of this right here. Probably have a breakout trade. You know, we don't really do those, but it's not a bad play right here. Considering it's going to be a strong bounce. Because your last move, there really is nothing. It's a big or bearish candle right here that's just completely empty. There's no wicks on it. Right above this wick. Starting here, going up to 33.50. I like it so much, I'm going to do it twice. YM. Almost to its last previous swing point at 316. And then after that, it's 28, 55. Not quite the same recipe, but a lot of wick between here and 28. So really not a lot of resistance right here. Just one massive wick. So you could do the same thing here. You could do a buy order. You said sell rallies until what? Todd? This would be a good W, 9 tick roll right there. Stochastics is not quite there though. I don't think. He said sell rallies until what happens? Picking on you because I know you'll answer. Everybody else doesn't know how to type. Oh wait, Mike Sox, what? Something else. Yeah, he did say that. Here's your break right there. That'd been a good 9 tick. Your stochastics wasn't quite right, but I mean, textbook wise, out of a zone, showing bullish intent right there, indecisions, bullish pop right there. You're gonna have a retest of that candle. Doesn't break the low down here. It's just a liquidity grab. It's gonna continue to move. And this will be your breaker, right? And so if you look at the measurement of this candle right here, I'm trying to talk fast because it's gonna happen. This will put you above that. If I put it on the body of the candle, that'll put you just above. Yeah, until prior swings are broken. It said stop selling rallies when prior swings are broken. I'm going to move my entry down on this breakout to 1 tick above that, 2132.2. It could dump right here, but it's going to come back. It's too tempting.
I am back.
So here's what I told them. I said that it's most likely going to come back up here and break this because if you look to the left, you got this massive bearish candle that has no wicks in front of it. It's just massive.
Well, where was he? And think about it. We just talked about where did I say price would most likely go to before it started selling again? Where we started with the news. Look at the YM, guys. Look at the ES. Where did price go to? It went to almost exactly to where we started this morning at. Hey, how about that? I missed this one. Look at that sell signal too, Paul. 1, 2, 3 winning sell signals in a row there. That's 10 winning 12 winning trades today. The system went done by itself. That's pretty spectacular, don't you think?
Money.
Coach Hugo, good morning. Hey, everybody. I'm telling you guys, why aren't you guys using the range chart and then taking the zones and taking your buy and sell signals from the range chart with the signals that we already have? We already built them for you from the zones. I mean, guys, that could be our entire. Look at this. I need to fix the YM zones. Are these updated? I don't know why my YM zones aren't. Even the YM zones, guys. You already have the tools. Look at this. You could have just traded from the YM zones this morning. There's my other zone. I need to
Watch,
find
gonna
that
move them
first
up
one.
and then
Look at
it's
this.
gonna up again. Probably
I
won't
need to
want
have this guy right here is my zone.
I'm moving YM. Are you moving YM?
I got YM. Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Sorry, bud.
Let me switch.
Yep. I was just doing both. I didn't even think about it. I should say something to you. That's my bad.
No, you're good.
I didn't have my trusty markers that I usually keep in on my zones. I don't know why. It's been lost in my. That's my zone. That's a good zone. I like the zones. I really like the zones right now. I don't think it's going to go any higher, so I'm going to leave it there. I'm not going to put a zone above where I just did. Lock that. Fix it. That should be a decent.
I'm just gonna.
If we guys, look at this. Look, I can do it on the YM or I can do it on the ES. Look at the ES right now. Think about it. How many of you have looked at this? What if today? What if the only trades you took were with our Liberty signals and from the zones? What if those are the only trades you took today? Would you have made money? Yes or no? Oh, Ghost People were done trade calling today. What a mess. You missed the fun. Anybody take that short that I called? Guys, look at this. Look at the chart. If you only took trade signals from the zones today, it didn't matter if you did the longs or the shorts. You could not have lost money. Our trade signals from the zones, long or short. Look at this. Once, twice, three times a lady on that one. One, go back in time. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the long side. 5 on the long side. Maybe you didn't take these because they were in the zone. 6 on the short side. You had a nice little sell signal. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 on the long side. Well, didn't get a signal there. And this was a little earlier in the morning, so that was pre-news. Didn't get anything pre-news. 12 winning signals.
Ha ha ha.
And I meant to get back in that one right there. Dagnabbit. Oh well, we'll have a chance after the open. All right, who's just showing up? Who showed up late? Who missed all the fun? I will get a couple more trade calls in just for those of you who showed up late and missed all the fun this morning. Okay, all right. Now, Ghost Pepper, let's smack you a little bit, Ghost Pepper. The ladies of Liberty all slept in. What is going on?
Late night superheroine.
Yeah, is that what you're getting? What you guys are doing late night superheroing? That you're tired?
It'll do it. Fighting crime. Where you out?
Made you tired of that shorting yesterday. That's all we've done this morning. Sold every rally. I mean, you could have sold this one too, but I didn't call it because we're getting really close to the open.
You're starting to climb. Got a big channel there going up.
Can you imagine that? I mean, look at this. Look at. Tell me the zones aren't working. Don't work, and I'll show you.
They don't work.
Call you crazy. There's a 13th winning trade signal today on the short side. 13th. And I don't know why I'm not in it because I wanted to be in it.
I wish there was a.
I'm not in it because it's
I mean,
9:29.
seriously, Paul, I would have shut the program 2 days in a row. I would have shut after the first 3 trades. I would have shut the program down. Done.
Future
yeah.
versions of coach levels
15
This thing was just print
seconds.
money.
does alert
It's
whenever
gonna-
price crosses the top zone.
We got a couple things to figure out on that one. That's why I'm going to talk to you a little bit about that. Wait for it.
Cool. I'm talking about coaches levels.
Huh? I'm not.
Coaches levels.
Yeah.
So if when price crosses the top or the bottom zone, like an alert pops up on the screen.
No, not yet. That's what we want to have happen.
That'd be cool because then it could be, oh wait, I gotta fix that.
That's what we want to have happen. Yes. Like I said, you guys could have been short on that. I didn't do it. We were close to the open.
Crude jump.
From a zone.
Yeah, remember? Yep, I remember. I said that.
Nice.
crude pops 74, which is it hadn't been passed in 100 days. It's going to dump.
It's just holler. Like whenever something else is in a zone, get into a zone. Say, cruise get into the zone.
It was a
Gold's
while.
get into the zone.
What the? Oh,
There's another sell signal. What's going on, Paul?
really? I got some lag. I didn't see it. Oh, well.
You're not trading right now. You're done. You got to be done, right?
Yeah, I just jumped in a quick trade, but I got lag really bad. It was just micros. No big deal. No, I'm done. I mean, like, done from the.
I think I'm done too. I like to sim. I think I am done, guys.
Pops this zone, it's going to drop again on the YM. ES is coming to one.
Still have one contract short from overnight, so I'm not that worried about it.
Ooh, look at the YM go.
All right. Anybody do the sell signal I just called? I did not do it. I'm gonna try
Anybody
to
do the
find
one I was
somewhere.
just telling you about?
Same for wait for it. You guys got good trade calls there, guys. Anybody do it? You guys that should have played, you had your chance. Pretty predictable trading. I know it's not 6 minutes yet, but guys, this is pretty predictable trading right now.
Ask me to predict that.
There's another sell signal coming on the ES.
I check my time clock. I don't think it's synced or something.
Oh, where's that? Oh,
Let's see here.
get me a rally to sell on. Now we get the push down to what is that? I said earlier, 50. 50. Let's try to do a sell stop here. This will be the last one. I guess it's it's copying my sim account too. There we go. There we go. There we go, baby. Anybody else doing that? That'll be it for me today. Dunzo. Gave that one to you guys on a silver platter. Next time you get a little hook and stochastics there on the YM, take the sell signal. That's all you guys got to do. Unless you're still short from wait for its call. I just gave you that one on the silver platter, guys. All right. Everybody that should have played, you should be happy now, right? Everybody that should have played, got your trade in. And I'm going to stay in this one until 50. We're going to get a 40-point runner out of this, people. Stay in it. Stay in it. If you want a 30-point runner, you will stay in this trade. Got it? 30 points on the ES. You got, let's see what we got on the YM. We got maybe another 80 points on the YM you could get to. You're going to hit some headwind down here at that level. What is that? 850. Maybe you got another 100 points easy on the YM. Another 100 points. What's this? Attach. 89. What did I say? 3 ticks the other day? 4? Okay. There. Taking 30 points. You guys good? Everybody getting this? Everybody getting a piece? Everybody should have played. You guys getting a piece of this? On the YM, you can press the sell button. You got the hook and stochastics. Told you to take that. Wait for it. Told you to take it way back there, actually. Gave it to you on the ES. My stop is attached to 89. 4 ticks behind it, and I'm just going to let it ride. And by the way, there's another winning trade signal from the zone there, Coach Paul. I mean, that thing would have printed money today.
It works. We got to get that finalized.
That is ridiculous.
Got to get it finalized.
Ridiculous. All right, kiddos. That's gonna be about it for the day. Just find a place to get on the short side and stay there. YM's probably got a little support here, but it should break through here in a minute. Yes, obviously we're in a zone. That's going to break through that in a second. You got a second chance of that. Let's see what we got over here. Some support resistance lines in. I'm flat. Oh no, made money flat.
MNQ one contract, $132. Micro.
Micros. Nice.
Another sell signal coming. Another sell signal coming here in a second, guys. Look for an M on the ES. That lower zone is pretty strong, isn't it? It's like the third time it bounced off of it, isn't it? Fourth time this morning, fifth time, sixth time, seventh time. That is a strong zone. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A lot of touches in that zone. People like it. If it can stay below that zone, though, it's going to sell heavy. Get your sell signals ready.
Get your fresh hot sell signals.
Yeah. And we're going to be all sim now because I'm done. Done. So just got sim. Everything's sim. Done. Nope. Sure don't, Paul.
That's
I was going to
bizarre.
ask you about that.
Very bizarre.
Yeah, something's broken.
Something's not right.
We got to fix that today, ASAP. Brian, can you explain what happened when the gap was made on live yesterday on the 60-minute chart? No, I can't explain because I don't know what caused it. I'll be honest with you, Todd. Obviously, the price opened that much lower, but that doesn't normally happen, Todd. I thought it was a data issue, to be honest with you.
It opened lower.
I can't. Yeah, the gap, intraday gap, that I've honestly never seen that before, so I can't even tell you what. I've never seen an intraday gap like that.
Some institution had like a massive order down there, and there was no other orders.
That's all it could have been.
Yeah.
All right. Hopefully everybody got green on those couple of shorts that we just called. I'm telling you guys, we're not going to call very many more trades today. There's no point in it. We can talk about stuff. We can talk about stuff. Here, I'm going to reply to you about this here.
All right. Sounds like good. Ooh, 5,000. Massive buy spikes on the NQ.
Let me know if does that work for you, Paul?
Yeah, I can make that work.
That way we can get him started and then.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Yeah,
I mean, we probably still need to do a training, I think, today.
oh, no,
Oh,
a
no,
small one. Yeah.
Okay.
A small one.
Yeah.
Enough to get him started. That's all we got to
Right.
do. Back up to the zone on the ES. Looking for a sell signal now. YM, you're getting a sell signal.
NQ dropping from a zone.
Yeah, I like the 77 short on an NQ, but it's got to come back through. If it doesn't come back through, I wouldn't take it.
All right. And the ES is now in
Down
relief
here
mode.
somewhere.
Oh, look at that. You had perfect 1, 2, 3 reversal on the ES as well. I didn't even realize that. All right, guys. Chilling out on short trades. Hopefully everybody got their greens in today. Told you we were going to call me more trades. Targets off on the YM. That short call.
Trade one
Obviously,
account.
you had to be quick at managing that trade on the ES. Don't press the sell button anymore on the ES until we get to at least you get about 2 more points. It could probably move up. Unless you're already green, take every sell signal. If you're not green, don't take every sell signal.
NQ dumping again, maybe? Retesting.
And the ES finally got back to where we started with the news, it looks like. Close to it. Yeah. Yeah. It should start selling from here again, guys. So give it we need to go up to possibly 20 on the ES. So you can get that up to 20 and then start selling it again. YM, let it get up to the zone and sell it. The zone should be valid. Yeah. Definitely a valid zone.